try to communicate and ask whoever was in here that,
Sure,
what
we
we
can.
had.
Is there someone here? Here, right now, is there somebody right here communicating, coming through? Something you wanted to say? Well, the closest I can come, I pick up Sally myself, and it has to do with the normal, average housekeeping things, and she was doing the laundry. That's what I'm getting. Not doing the laundry that night, just doing the laundry. Yeah, I heard that, but I think it's I think it's just,
Well, they left.
it's not that powerful. It's very hard to jump on it. It has to kind of filter through. For me, you know.
Okay. Well, when we were in here, last
Uh-huh.
time, someone
Yeah.
asked,
What do you
well,
get?
why are you in my bedroom? Why are you in my bedroom? Who was that? Was, the person, the man that was